The Philippine National Volleyball Federation, they held a press conference. That's in the lead up to the country's hosting, ang bigat nito, of the FIVB Volleyball Men's World Championship 2025. And for the details, let's bring in mobile journalist Ivan Tarinque. Ivan, what's the latest from your end?
Denise, kanina nga ay opisyal ng inanunsyo ng Philippine National Volleyball Federation na sila na Pilipinas na ang mag-host ng FIVB Men's World Championship 2025, no? So ibig sabihin, first mag-debut din yung Philippines next year sa torneyong ito. And ito rin yung first time na solo country ang mag-host since noong 2014. And first Asian host since 2006 nung nag-host yung Japan. And yung another question is yung magsisimula yung tournament on September 12 to 28. And next year nga from 24 teams, magiging 32 teams yung lalaban for the championship. So far ngayon, 16 teams pa lang yung qualified sa tournament. And medyo bigatin na yung mga teams na nakapasok sa tournament. Andiyan yung Italy, yung defending champion na Italy. Andiyan pasok na rin yung number 1 in two ranked teams na sa world ng Poland and USA. No? Pero so far, na inanunsyo na rin kanina, no, magkakaroon ng 20 to 25 people, player pool, itong national team natin para paghandaan itong World Championship next year. Denise?
Okay. Ivan, si Lord Do, no? May mga na-identify na ba mga venues for the matches?
Lord, wala pa masyado tayong official na venues, pero ang matulog na venues are Smart Araneta, Coliseum, and SM Mall of Asia. Though wala pang confirmation, pero yan ang dalawang venues na tinitignan ngayon. Alam ko may plano rin before na subukan dalhin provincial itong tournament. Pero due to the time constraint ay mukhang imposible na mangyari ito, magkaroon ng games sa province.
Ivan, meron bang nabanggit kung bakit it's been a long time, no, na since the last Asian hosting, tapos first time nga na solo country, meron bang binanggit itong federation kung bakit Pilipinas ang napili nila?
So far wala pang nabanggit. Ang sinabi lang kanina, according kay Mr. Zara, ay ready na ang Pilipinas to host yung mga big events na ganito. Kasi tayo yung tested na rin before. Nag-host tayo ng FIBA World Cup. Ibig sabihin, kaya-kaya na rin mag-host ng Pilipinas ng Men's World Championship sa volleyball.
All right, thank you very much. That was mobile journalist Ivan Tarinque.